Yup. Don't snore while watching this video. Yeah? Well, I recently found this cool trick that will make you snore. Are you ready for it? But first, can you please click the like and subscribe button? Thank you. Now, listen for the instructions. I will play a sound. And before, I will show you some words. You have to pronounce it 5 times in a row. Ready? Then. These are the words. Go. Done? Now, listen to this sound. Okay. Now, you are under the spell. You can test this trick in the evening. You will probably snore. So ask your parents if you really snore. And put your comments here if the trick works. Snoring Pog.